Hi, I thought I would take a different approach today. Usually talk about the things that you can do to be successful as a supplier at Wayfair. Today I want to talk about the things that you should not do, the do not do's, as they say. My name is Heather Roberts and I am the co-founder of RSG Sales and the creator of Profit Powered Growth. So let me talk about this for a minute. What are the do not do's, the don't do's, the big ol' X's when you are a supplier at Wayfair? The first one is poor merchandising. That, poor merchandising is defined as maybe having only one silhouette picture. Your copy is just terrible. You only have maybe 2 bullet points at best, maybe 3, and you have a product title where the customer doesn't know what it is that they're buying. So that's poor merchandising. Don't do it. The second thing, small assortment. We define a small assortment as less than 50 items. So it's a numbers game. Remember, if you can have more than that, please do. You'll have a better chance of success. The third thing that is a do not do at Wayfair, or quite frankly any internet retailer, is being out of stock on your top sellers. How can you make progress and sell if you don't have it? The fourth thing is you don't participate in promotions. And I will give you a little known secret and tip. It is that people or companies that participate in promotions grow twice as fast as those who do not. Think about that for a minute. So if you're not participating in promotions, that means you're not growing twice as fast as you possibly could. The fifth thing is you're not priced competitively. And if you're not priced competitively, no one's gonna buy your items. So let's flip this around and talk about these same 5 things and how you can make them into positives. Because at the end of the day, yes, I am a more positive person and I try and show you how you can be successful. So number 1 is the merchandising. These are the things you have. Best in class merchandising has 5 or 6 bullet points. It has multiple product images. You have a silhouette, you have a lifestyle, you have keywords in your product title and in your bullet points and descriptions. So that's how you be successful, and that's how you can gain sales. Second thing, let's talk about that small assortment. Ideally, we believe at RSG Sales and Profit Powered Growth that you need to have more than 100 items in your catalog. It is a numbers game. Volume of items, if you can do it, is going to put you into a situation where you have more exposure. So a larger product catalog is definitely a bonus. Third, stay in stock. Identify what your top sellers are. Use that 80-20 rule. That's what we recommend with our clients and our coaching clients. The 80-20 rule is you want to stay in stock on the top 20 items that do 80% of your business. If you're in stock every single day on those top 20 items, then you are guaranteeing that you are going to have success and growth. Number 4, participate in promotions. As I said just a minute ago, companies that participate in promotions grow twice as fast on Wayfair as people who don't. So when you're doing your pricing, build that in. Give yourself the room and the ability. But, and this ties into the last one, make sure that your prices are still competitive. Only sell prices that have only sell products that are priced with a chance to win. For example, if you're going to lose money on an item and you try and raise the price so much so you can still meet your margin, don't sell that item. It doesn't make sense. So that's how you can turn around the 5 negatives into 5 positives. You want good merchandising, you want to have stock, you want to have a good size assortment, you want to participate in promotions, and you want to have yourself priced to win. All right, if you have any other questions, go check us out at RSG Sales or ProfitPoweredGrowth.com, RSGSales.com, ProfitPoweredGrowth.com, and we can book a call and schedule to talk to you about ways that you can win, either through our account management programs or through our coaching programs. All right, I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.